The Bridges property is a well-positioned recreational investment property along Camp Creek, lying approximately 8 miles south of Lancaster, South Carolina. This approximately 152 GIS acre property offers recreational users and seasoned investors a variety of attractive attributes, including Camp Creek. The wooded property has various forest types, with upland hardwoods, mature planted pines, and pre-merchantable planted pines, holding significant timber value and high recreational value for outdoor activities. The Bridges property is an ideal location for a variety of uses. Conveniently located within about 30 miles of the Charlotte area and roughly 35 minutes south of Indian Land, South Carolina. Rock Hill, South Carolina is only a 30-minute drive. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact Dave Hegler at 803-920-5819.